The price of silver has continued its meteoric rise as we enter a new week. A lot of exciting things are going to happen soon. An American silver eagle dealer has run out of stock and is predicting that silver may become unattainable as early as this month. Let me break it down for you. The borrowing fee to short the most popular silver ETF just went mega. It might be massive. Now, let's begin. The gold and silver you need can be purchased online at SD Bullion. Visit sdbullion.com/new to purchase gold or silver instantly. It means the world to me that you tuned in. Your kindness is deeply appreciated. The price of silver is currently skyrocketing. For now, it's trading at $48.79. Presently, it's up 68 cents, or 1.42%. But silver is currently just under $1 from a new record high. Today, gold did reach a new record high. The price has risen $72 today, or 1.87%, to $3,966 per ounce, bringing it closer to $4,000. Accordingly, gold is outpacing silver in price growth. Things are becoming crazy. The one-day silver chart showed considerable volatility overnight, I'll admit that. It peaked at $48.74 and then fell to $48.19 when US markets opened this morning. However, it has since made a full recovery. It seems like we're in for a wild trip, but I believe we can only go up from here. The appearance of this post on X today caught me off guard. Monument Metals in the US sold out of silver monster boxes. Unobtainium will not be reached this month by this silver. Although this US-based online merchant ran out of 2,025 American silver eagles, several other dealers still had plenty. I would be stacking other things right now, but SD Bullion still has the 2025 silver eagles if you're interested. Checkwire is available here at a reduced quantity price of $56.76. Now I can clearly recall spending $17 on silver eagles at the door 6 years ago. Oh my God. However, I would likely look into bargains if I needed silver today, and SD Bullion does offer a deal on trash silver. It is practically available at the place. So, what's the point of paying a premium? And piece was published yesterday, and here it is. Pakistan is now fixated on silver as an investment. Let me explain. According to them, you can now buy silver in 10 tola bars and even 1 kilogram bricks. A 10 tola bar is approximately 3.75 troy ounces, in case you were wondering. Even though it's an old method of weighing silver, Pakistanis are buying it up right now. Silver has become the new darling of investors after its price and consumption more than quadrupled in the past 3 months, according to the article's opening statement. Silver is reportedly even making its way onto the illicit market as a result of the unprecedented demand from customers reacting to the metal's skyrocketing prices. But the most crucial piece of advice is right at the end. Put your money into silver. Smart choice. Although silver prices are increasing dramatically, experts and goldsmiths warn that investing in silver takes patience and market stability, and is best viewed as a long-term strategy. One dealer warned that silver isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, despite the metal's rising demand in IT and industry. Those that stick on for the long haul will reap the benefits. Plus, I believe there are a lot of newbies purchasing silver at the moment. Witnessing the price increase, they are considering the possibility of jumping in, making a killing, and then jumping out. When dealing with silver, that is not how it usually works. Holding it for a very long time is your goal. In my opinion, a long-term outlook is essential when investing in precious metals. I mean, take a look at this graph. An analysis of the percentage rise of gold and silver since January 1970. Although the data is a bit stale, the chart was created last week, the nearly 11,000% increase in gold prices is still impressive. Silver, on the other hand, has increased in value by around 2,400% in only the past 5 years. It is okay to buy things when their prices are going up, in my opinion, when you see things like this. This is a long-term investment, so it's okay to cash out if you can. Take a peek at how far silver still needs to travel to match gold. Wow. Just to keep up with gold's percentage gain during the past 55 years, silver's price would have to double. It appears as though silver may be escaping its previous shackles. The real debate now is whether silver will be priced at $100 or $200, according to this article from the Scottsdale Mint. Rumor has it that silver will hit 52 cents an ounce, which would be a new record high if gold reaches $4,000 an ounce. At the moment, an ounce of gold is worth close to $4,000. My question is, why did this borrowing fee suddenly skyrocket to a short position in SLV? Can you explain that? Bob Coleman has issued a silver ETF alarm in his post from today on X. An unseen cost awaits authorized participants and dealers who wish to redeem silver in an increasing market by drawing down their SLV shares. The cost of borrowing money to short SLV shares has skyrocketed, nearly triple from the previous week. Not only that, but there are fewer than 10,000 shares that can be shorted. The options markets are likely to experience more volatility. To back up his claims, I have attached all the relevant data. Also, the increase in the SLV borrowing fee is shown here. An increase to over 7% is possible. This is really insane. But how is this significant? Will the price of silver go up or down as a result of this? Well, I consulted Grok, and they predict that short selling pressure will decrease as a result. In essence, it will alleviate pricing pressure, which bodes well for precious metals. It has the ability to trigger a possible brief squeeze. Lastly, it has the potential to cause a price surge of 5 to 8% the week after. So, silver might be about to do more than just hit a new all-time high. It could explode higher from there. Will silver reach a new all-time high this week? I asked this question in a poll I posted to my YouTube channel last night. Plus, the outcomes are evident. Silver will indeed reach a new all-time high, according to 81% of you. I really believe it's doable. Right now, we're literally only $1 short. Take a look at the comment that ranks highest. Hopefully not. I will continue to buy in. Those of us who desire to increase our silver holdings will undoubtedly find it to be a double-edged sword. I think it's fantastic that the price is rising. Unfortunately, the price will also increase if you wish to increase the amount of silver in your stack. Truthfully, I am confused about the future of silver. Looking at the silver price year-to-date chart, I can't help but wonder what might possibly derail its $20 increase this year. What may possibly impede its progress is a mystery to me. Within the next few days, I anticipate that we will likely reach a new record high. I am aware that some people will be reluctant. Even though I anticipate volatility, I still believe silver can weather the storm. But for now, we'll just have to watch. Sure, I'll be sure to update the video if silver does indeed reach a new record high. And I'm really interested to know, in your opinion, what comes next. Post a comment and tell me what you think. Please stay tuned for my future video. I really appreciate you taking the time to view this one. Dropped by Silver Dragons.